Hi K2, I hope that you guys are all well and safe. I wanted to talk to you guys about um, some of the vocabulary that you will need to know in order to complete what Miss Spencer had assigned. So I want to go over the essential question that is, what do you know about our country? So let's look at the picture and discuss what we see. So in the red letters, I see that it says the American way. And I can also see that behind there is a Statue of Liberty that is found in New York. And then we have a child who is wearing the crown for the Statue of Liberty. And it just means it shows our freedom. So I want you guys to take a moment and talk about what do you know about our country? Now that you have thought about what you know about our country, I want to show you guys a quick video that will show you some more places that are found in our country. You may have seen these, so here it is.
My USA. What do you know?
So I want you guys to think, what other places maybe do you know about that you did not see in the video? Okay. Lastly, I want to talk to you guys about some words to know for this week. So our first word is going to be the word country. So a country is an area of land and people who are ruled by one government. So for example, the United States of America is the country where we live in. So I want you guys to think, where is one country you would like to visit someday? My next word is careful. To be careful is to pay close attention to what you are doing or what you are saying. So, for example, the teacher was careful when he put staples into the stapler. And this could be maybe because he didn't want to hurt his finger, or maybe because he didn't want to jam the stapler. So, why should you be careful when you are using scissors? Think about that, and then we will move on. My next word is to travel. So, to travel is to move from one place to another. So, one way to travel is to fly in an airplane. And in class, we also discussed that we can travel using our car, using a boat, a train, a bus, and so on. We talked about a few ways to travel. So, where is one place that you would like to travel? My next word is purpose. The purpose of something is the reason it is made or used. So, for example, in this picture, we see that the purpose of a pencil box is to hold pencils. So, I want you to think, what is the purpose of your backpack? What does that do? My next word is connect. So when we connect two things, we put them together. So, for example, I can connect pieces of yarn by tying them together. When you guys play with your Legos, you guys connect them to form figures. You put them together. So, what is something you would connect to your dog's collar before taking him on a walk? Our first sight word this week is the word this. So, THIS spells this. Why don't you go practice that? Let's say it together. THIS spells this. And if we see this picture, it says, I was on this street. So on this street, I can see trees and cars and houses. Our next sight word is what. And we spell what by WHAT. Let's try it together. WHAT spells what. And this picture asks, what do zebras eat? Okay, so that is going to be the end of our vocabulary section. I hope you found this useful. I will be posting more videos to hopefully guide you guys and make this a lot easier for you. I hope to see you guys soon.